Now it's time to explore imagery. What is an image? Well, an image is a word or phrase that appeals to one of our senses. Images can help us to create a mental picture. For example, with this tree. If you were to describe the tree, could you allow your reader to visually see the tree? It can help us to hear a sound. How would you describe the howling dog? It can allow us to feel texture or temperature. Think about how you might describe these blankets, the woven texture. Would you be able to find the words to really let your audience feel the cloth beneath their fingers? And it can allow us to taste a sweet, sour, or salty food. How might you describe, for example, the first bite of a strawberry? Well, imagery should allow us to understand all of these things. Another thing to keep in mind about imagery is that it is part of a writer's style. Well, what does that mean? It means that it's a product of the writer's own way of seeing the world. And so we might think of the various imagery in Romeo and Juliet and ask, what about Shakespeare's world made him choose these particular images? What about the theater or the audience? What about the time period would make him choose these particular images as a means of expression? We also need to understand that imagery is a reflection of the time and place which the writer lives in. So think about the particular images and about Shakespeare's time period as you examine them.